Guys, so we're at Indian food. Yeah, we're gonna eat Indian food. I'm so nervous. I have not eaten some freaking Indian foods. Oh my dad's gonna do there. Expensive? Is it expensive or no? Guys, there's a burrito. There's a beef burrito also. Dalawa may jacket.
Isintay mo si Daddy ha.
Wait lang.
Masyadong maliit ang ano dito.
Hey guys.
Hindi kaya mo tumawid dito pupunta sa akin. Bigay mo na lang muna chinelas mo sa akin.
No. It's raining. Bro, it's not even raining, bro. It's just a fan. Electric fan. No fun. Here we go. The door. What's on the door? Oh, that. Looks like I'm in a cage. Hey, please.
Ganyan yan. Next time yarn.
Who fall? Okay.
Hindi mo pala na-receive yung hindi ko pa na-receive sa ano.
Ow!
Traffic ang pag-out yan.
Yan sa kontra. Bayad natin.